before you watch the video, subscribe it, click on the bell icon for more notifications. Hi, welcome to AGAA-MATH. This is Rakesh and today we are going to learn about the trigonometry shortcut trick 1. So today I am going to teach you the shortcut method where you can solve within less than 1 minute. So let me take a question here now. What is a shortcut trick 1 for what type of a question? Right? So here, if the question is if secant A plus tan A, if secant A plus tan A equals to 5, if secant A plus tan A equals to 5, then find cosecant A. Then find cosecant A plus sin A. Cosecant A plus sin A. When we get these type of questions, it is very easier. See how I am going to solve. First of all, you need a small observation here to understand and to solve it. So we have different methods, right? Generally we have different methods to solve it, but here I just see how I am going to solve you now within just very less than 1 minute if you really practice. So first of all, to solve this, you should have an idea about the right angle triangle. We all know that in a trigonometry we use right angle triangles to solve the questions, right? So here I do it here. So here I have taken a triangle, right angle triangle ABC. So whenever this type of a question you get, like secA plus tan A equals to 5 or secA plus tan A equals to any numerical value is given or a variable is given, nothing to worry. So this to be remembered, this is what I do in this is x square plus 1 and this is x square minus 1, where x is nothing that given value here, x is nothing that given value. Then let us see how to solve it. Very simple, right? So solution I do now, that is, it means this is nothing that 5, x is nothing that 5, the value given is, it means 2 into 5 which is equals to 10, 5 square plus 1 which is equal to 26, 5 square minus 1 which is equals to 24. So here the length of the sides, that is, this is 10 units and this is 24 units and this is 26 units. So what we would like to find cosecant A plus sin A, right? We have to find cosecant A plus sin A, right? So what is a cosecant A? Cosecant, ratio of the cosecant A is what? It is hypotenuse by opposite. So here this is angle A, theta. So here the theta is, okay, hypotenuse by opposite. Hypotenuse is nothing but 26 by 24, that is opposite, 26 by 24 plus sin A. Sin A is nothing but what? Opposite by hypotenuse. It means 24 by 26. So now if you can really do solve it, like this is 13, 2 13 times and this is 2 12 times, here 2 12 times and this is 2 13 times. So what do you get here now? It is 13 by 12 plus 12 by 13, right? If you do the LCM and solve it, you get the LCM, that is 156, right? So 12 13, that is 169 plus 144. So if you both add like this, 9 plus 4 is 13, 1, 6, 4, 10, 11, 1 plus 2, 3, 313 by 156. Here this is the answer. So that is cosecant A plus sin A is nothing but 313 by 156. So this is to be taken only when you have like secant A plus tan A is any value is given. Let us take one more example, right? Now here I am going to take one more problem related with this, right? So let me take now, if secant A plus tan A equals to 3, then find sin A plus cos A, right? So same here, what 3 is nothing but 2 into 3, that is 6, 2, that is 3 square minus 1, right? So that is 8, and this is 10. Now we got the length of the sides, sorry, units of the sides, right? So here I am going to show you how to solve it. So what we want after we knew it, so just sin A means we have to find that sin A plus cos A. What is a sin A? Sin A is opposite by hypotenuse, that is 8 by 10, plus cos A is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse, that is 6 by 10, so that is 14 by 10, so it is 2 7s 2 5s. So here it is just 7 by 5, fine. Here I got the answer now. So see how easier to solve this. So this is a triangle we take only for this type of equations, like secant A plus tan A, right? Secant A plus tan A is equals to any value that in the place of x we substitute, and we solve this and we find the values as the questions are given. And here why we have taken that these sides are x square minus 1, x square plus 1 and 2x, right? So it is not simply taken or something rough. There is a proof. If you really want proof, so come on, keep watching the video continues, and we explain you how we have taken these values, right? Come on. Here we are going to learn why the values are taken. Let us observe clearly that if, so the same I would like to take the question lies, if secant A plus tan A equals to x. Actually here we have taken the number something, so here I am using the same x. So now how do we got the units of these right angle triangle sides, right? So let us, we know what I do is here to solve that, let us to explain you how do we got it. So what I do is tan A equals to x minus secant A, nothing that secant A transfer this side. Now squaring on both sides, what I do is it is tan square A equals to x minus secant A whole square, right? If you simplify more, so what do you get then? It is tan square A equals to x square plus secant square A minus 2 into x into secant A, right? So now tan square A, we have an identity, right? How many of you remember the identity here, that is secant square A minus tan square A equals to 1, right? So based on that identity, it means if I really make the tan square A as a subject, in this it becomes secant square A minus 1. So in the place of tan square A, what I do is I just write secant square A minus 1 equals to x square plus secant square A minus 2 into x into secant A, right? So if you simplify more, that this secant square, if you transfer this side, that this and this get eliminated. So we have here is like let what I do is I just transfer this minus 2x secant A towards this side, so it becomes 2 into x into secant A and x square minus 1 come this side, it is plus 1, right? So here secant A means if I make the subject as secant A, that is secant A equals to x square plus 1 by 2x. So we know the ratio of the secant A. Secant A ratio is what? Right? It is nothing that hypotenuse by adjacent, right? Sorry, hypotenuse by, yeah, hypotenuse by adjacent. So if this is A, hypotenuse is nothing that x square plus 1 and the adjacent is 2x. If you simplify this both, you get here x square minus 1. So that is the reason we have taken, right? So this is a proof for that. I hope you all enjoyed and how to solve in a very easier way. Tomorrow we come with one more trick. So keep watching AGAA-MATH and please do subscribe our channel. Thank you for listening. For any more queries, give us a mail at askagaamath@gmail.com.